Looking to upgrade your car with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto without replacing your entire dashboard? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best CarPlay screens in 2026, perfect for any vehicle, whether you drive an old car or just want a smarter, more connected driving experience. From budget-friendly options to powerful AI-enabled displays with built-in apps, I'll break down features, real-world performance, pros and cons, and help you choose the best one for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Portable 10-inch wireless CarPlay screen with 4K dashcam. We have the portable 10-inch wireless CarPlay screen with a built-in 4K dashcam. This is a solid entry-level option that brings modern smart features to almost any car. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, which means no messy cables. The standout feature here is the integrated 4K dashcam and 18p backup camera, giving you both convenience and safety in one device. In real-world use, the touchscreen is responsive and setup is surprisingly quick. It's ideal for drivers who want a simple plug-and-play upgrade without complicated installation. Pros: affordable and beginner-friendly, built-in 4K dashcam, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, easy installation. Cons: screen size is smaller than others on this list. Audio quality depends on your car's speakers. Number 2. LAMTTO 11-inch AI CarPlay screen. And this one takes things to another level. It features an 8-core processor, supports Google Play apps, and even integrates AI features like Gemini. This isn't just a CarPlay screen, it's more like a mini tablet for your car. The 60 FPS display feels smooth, and the performance is noticeably faster than budget models. Pros: powerful 8-core processor, Google Play app support, smooth 60 FPS display, AI integration, Gemini. Cons: slightly more expensive and can be overkill for basic users. Number 3. 11-inch AI CarPlay screen with full Google Play access. We have another AI-powered 11-inch CarPlay screen, but this one focuses heavily on full app freedom. You can download streaming apps, navigation tools, and more directly from the Play Store. This device stands out for users who want entertainment on the go. The built-in GPS and OTA updates make it future-proof. Pros: full Google Play access, built-in GPS, OTA updates, high-quality IPS display. Cons: requires internet for full functionality and slight learning curve. Number 4. Volam 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen with Netflix and YouTube. We have the Volam 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen, and this one is all about entertainment. It comes with built-in Netflix and YouTube apps, making it perfect for road trips or waiting in the car. The display is vibrant, and the ability to stream directly without extra setup is a huge plus. It also supports OTA updates and voice control. Pros: built-in streaming apps, great for entertainment, OTA updates, clean and responsive UI. Cons: streaming may require hotspot and not ideal for distraction-free driving. Number 5. 11.5-inch largest wireless CarPlay screen, the best overall. We have the largest 11.5-inch wireless CarPlay screen, the best overall. This device combines size, performance, and features into one powerful package. The larger display makes navigation and media much easier to see. It also includes a 4K dashcam, 18p backup camera, voice control, Bluetooth, and mirror link. Pros: biggest screen on the list, all-in-one functionality, 4K dashcam plus backup camera, works with all vehicles. Cons: takes more dashboard space and higher price point. Alright, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best CarPlay screens in 2026. If you're ready to upgrade your driving experience, you'll find all the product links down in the description below. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.